wonderful event has been held in the capital's Grand Turkmen Hotel on the occasion of 50th anniversary since foundation of Peace Corps of the United States of America. At this event, the contributors particularly told about activities carried out by Peace Corps on the territory of Turkmenistan since 1993.
My name is Eileen Malloy. I am the Chargé d'Affaires of the United States of America here in Turkmenistan, and we're here today for a very important anniversary. It's the 50th anniversary of the founding of the Peace Corps program. The Peace Corps program has been active here in Turkmenistan for 18 years, and there has been approximately 750 American volunteers who've given up 2 years of their life to come here to Turkmenistan to live in the villages and the towns of Turkmenistan, to try to understand Turkmen culture, Turkmen history, so that they can return home and tell their fellow Americans all about your wonderful country. And while they're here, they have been assisting your teachers of English language with teaching English in the schools. They assist at houses of health on community health education. And they have established very warm relationships with the people of Turkmenistan. I am particularly proud of this program. I personally think it's one of the best things that Americans do to show an aspect of American culture that is not well known, and that is our commitment to volunteerism. I am particularly grateful to the President of Turkmenistan for his unwavering support for this program. I'm grateful to all of the Turkmen counterparts at the schools and houses of health, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Health, the Foreign Ministry, all of the different parts of the Turkmen government that have supported us in this program. This is not only the 50th anniversary of the Peace Corps, but it's also a very important anniversary for Turkmenistan. 20 years as a sovereign, independent nation. And I want to offer you my most sincere congratulations for that, and also on the upcoming holiday of Nowruz, a very, very special holiday of renewal, new hope, and a perfect way to celebrate all the good things that are coming to Turkmenistan. So from myself, my family, and the Americans all working here in Turkmenistan, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful holiday for Nowruz, and thank you for all that you do to support the Peace Corps. Thank you.
My name is Earl. I'm the director of Peace Corps in Turkmenistan. Peace Corps is an American governmental agency that is implemented by private American citizen volunteers. We've been working in Turkmenistan since 1993, and we have two programs. One is in community health education, and the other is English language education. Our volunteers work here for 2 years with their Turkmen counterparts, teaching English and promoting healthy lifestyles. This is an agency that was established by the U.S. government 50 years ago. So we're here today celebrating the 50th year anniversary of the establishment of Peace Corps. We're very happy to be partners with the Turkmen government and the Turkmen people. We've had a very close and cooperative relationship with both the Ministries of Education and the Ministry of Health and Medical Industries. Our volunteers come from all parts of the United States. They work here for 2 years. They live with host families from Turkmen families, and they learn Turkmen language and Russian language, and they cooperate on providing improved educational services and health for people in communities all around Turkmenistan. Since 1993, there have been more than 750 Turkmen volunteers here, and we're very happy about the cooperation. And we look forward to cooperating with the government and people of Turkmenistan for many more years to come. Well, we're very happy to be here, and our volunteers learn as much as they can about Turkmen culture and Turkmen language. And they go back to the United States and teach their friends and their students there about Turkmen culture. And we think this is a very good people-to-people cooperation between our countries. Thank you very much. We're very happy to be here celebrating this holiday and this important day for Peace Corps. Thank you.
Volunteers of Peace Corps teach the English language at Turkmen schools and organize cultural arrangements together with Turkmen students.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, right. If you're happy and you know, stamp your foot. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know, stamp your foot.
My name is David Troung. I am from California. I work with the Peace Corps and I'm in the Ak Budai Etraf. I am very happy to be in Turkmenistan. I live in Anu and I have seen Ashgabat and I have seen Göktepe. I have seen many places in Ahal, and I think Ahal is a very beautiful place. Very beautiful, very nice, very warm people, and I am happy to be in Turkmenistan. I congratulate Turkmenistan on its holidays, and I hope that it continues to have independence and peace and prosperity to all Turkmen people and its country. Thank you, Turkmenistan.
Volunteers of Peace Corps teach the English language at Turkmen schools, and at the same time they learn our Turkmen language with great pleasure.
My name is Madeline Uraneck, and I'm the Director of Programming and Training for Peace Corps Turkmenistan. And this is a great year for Peace Corps Turkmenistan. We are celebrating 50 years for the whole Peace Corps and 18 years for Peace Corps Turkmenistan. And Peace Corps countries all over the world are celebrating this year, 77 countries. We've had 200,000 volunteers who are back in the United States and all over the world. And we say congratulations to all of the Peace Corps volunteers, and we thank so much the people of Turkmenistan for hosting us.
In the course of the event held on the occasion of 50th anniversary since foundation of Peace Corps, its participants had an opportunity to familiarize through video reel with activities being carried out in different provinces and etrafs of Turkmenistan by these corps.
Hello, my name is Cera Halvorson. I'm a Peace Corps volunteer. I live in a village outside of Marie City. I'm a health teacher, so I teach kids how to brush their teeth and how to stay healthy. And I also teach a little English, because no one in my village knows any English, so that's fun. Bahar bayram, kutlu olsun.